the Irma Typhon 223 SBLX, a beastly 1/8 scale buggy built for pure speed and unstoppable action. Features and benefits. Right out of the box, it's ready to roar with a powerful 3,100 kV brushless motor, a waterproof ESC, and a responsive metal gear servo. On a 2S battery, it blasts past 35 miles per hour. Switch to 3S, and it tears across the ground at over 50 miles per hour. Every part is engineered for strength and control, from its ventilated composite chassis and all-metal diffs to the oil-filled shocks and telescopic drive shafts. The clipless body system makes setup quick and hassle-free, while the dynamic stability control keeps every run smooth and steady. Context and real-world impact. Whether you're new to the RC world or a seasoned basher, the Typhon delivers raw power and rugged durability that push boundaries. It's not just a buggy, it's a full-throttle experience built to dominate dirt, grass, and pavement alike. Closing statement. This is speed, strength, and style packed into one machine. The Typhon 223 SBLX isn't just built to race, it's built to rule. Meet the Traxxas Jado 4x4 VXL, a machine built for pure speed and brutal power. This isn't just a buggy, it's a track-ready rocket on wheels. Straight out of the box, it packs the monster Valenian 540XL brushless motor paired with the VXL4's ESC. Together, they push this beast past 60 miles per hour on a 4-cell LiPo, giving you insane acceleration and control. Its design is just as fierce as its performance. The ultra-low center of gravity chassis, reinforced with an aluminum T-bar, keeps it planted at high speeds. Heavy-duty driveline, sealed steel differentials, and full-time shaft drive make sure nothing slows it down, even on rough terrain. Handling is razor-sharp thanks to dual bell crank steering, waterproof digital servo, and aluminum GTR shocks riding on super grippy Response Pro tires. Add in a clipless body, high downforce wing, and waterproof electronics, and you've got performance that lasts. At just over 20 inches long and 5.6 pounds, the Jado 4x4 VXL redefines RC racing, delivering unmatched speed, durability, and precision. Power, control, relentless speed, that's the Jado. Rephrased script, 178 words. Imagine riding a massive bus that glides through sharp turns without leaning, brakes hard without dipping, and cruises over deep potholes like they don't even exist. Sounds futuristic? That's exactly what the V-Series suspension system by Freightliner Custom Chassis delivers. This suspension isn't just about smooth rides, it's about redefining control. Traditional buses often jolt passengers and force drivers to fight the steering wheel over every bump. But the V-Series changes the game. It cancels out bump steer, keeps the vehicle steady, and ensures the driver stays in full command no matter the road. Engineers built it with both comfort and durability in mind. Passengers feel less jostling, while drivers enjoy fewer corrections behind the wheel. And here's the kicker. Its bushings last an incredible 240,000 kilometers without noticeable wear, making it one of the most reliable systems on the road. In a world where deadlines and rough roads never wait, the V-Series proves that even the biggest vehicles can move with precision, safety, and confidence. Meet the Velox ISV, a battlefield beast built for speed and survival. Born in the UAE, this rugged machine takes the trusted Toyota Helix chassis and transforms it into a high-mobility vehicle designed for modern infantry. From fast reconnaissance runs to long patrols, the Velox ISV thrives where ordinary vehicles stall. It's tailor-made for off-road dominance, slicing through desert sands, powering over steep terrain, and even wading through water up to 70 centimeters deep. With selectable all-wheel drive, soldiers get full control no matter the mission or conditions. Under the hood, its 148 horsepower engine packs 400 Nm of torque, delivering raw strength to tackle obstacles without hesitation. And thanks to its Helix DNA, maintenance stays straightforward, a huge advantage in the field where reliability can mean the difference between success and failure. The Velox ISV isn't just transport, it's a force multiplier. A machine built to push limits, redefine mobility, and give infantry the edge they need in the toughest environments. Imagine a beast built for battle yet born from a Ford. Meet the Bat UMG, America's answer to extreme off-road power. Features and benefits. This machine starts with a Ford F550 chassis and transforms it into a rugged force for police and military use. Under the hood, a 330 horsepower engine teams up with a 6-speed automatic transmission, delivering an incredible 1,017 Nm of torque. That's raw strength ready to tackle any terrain. Context and real-world impact. With a ground clearance of 36 centimeters, it conquers steep slopes with ease, wades through 80 centimeters of water, and leaps trenches nearly a meter wide. Despite its heavy-duty build, the Bat UMG doesn't crawl. It sprints, hitting speeds of up to 140 kilometers per hour. And because it's based on the widely used Ford F550 platform, maintenance stays straightforward and cost-effective. Closing statement. The Bat UMG isn't just another armored truck. It's proof of how simple design, mixed with raw engineering, can redefine mobility on the toughest front lines. Imagine connecting a massive truck trailer in just 7 seconds, without touching a single cable. That's exactly what the Electron's AutoConnect makes possible. Instead of wrestling with heavy hoses and tangled wires, drivers can stay comfortably in the cab and press one button. Instantly, the system hooks up the brake lines, electrical circuits, CAN bus, and even Ethernet, automatically. No hassle, no wasted time. What makes it even smarter is the built-in computer. The moment the connection is complete, it runs a full check on brakes and electrics, instantly alerting the driver if something's wrong. That's speed and safety working hand in hand. In massive distribution yards, drivers often switch trailers dozens of times in a single shift. Normally, that eats up hours. With AutoConnect, those hours turn into minutes, saving energy, boosting productivity, and reducing risk. The best part? It works with every U.S. Class 8 tractor-trailer, autonomous rigs, and can even be fitted onto existing trucks with no major modifications. This isn't just a convenience upgrade, it's a step toward fully autonomous freight yards. The future of trucking is here, and it starts with one button. Imagine a fence that does more than just block a view. It creates your own private world. This isn't your typical fence cover. Made from thick polypropylene fabric, it not only shields your space from prying eyes but also softens outside noise, turning your yard into a peaceful retreat. Need a screen as tall as 3.5 meters? Done. Want something strong enough to discourage even the boldest neighbor from climbing? Consider it handled, but privacy isn't all it offers. You can actually print custom designs, images, or messages directly onto the fabric, making your fence both functional and expressive. Plus, you get to choose how much light filters through, with opacity levels ranging from 80% to a full blackout at 100%. Durability is built in. This screen withstands temperatures from -26 degrees Celsius to 49 degrees Celsius and lasts up to 5 years, no matter the weather. It's more than a fence screen. It's a blend of privacy, peace, and personality for your outdoor space.
The Flightboard E-Foil is an electric surfboard with a hydrofoil that lets you glide effortlessly above the water, reaching speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. With a single charge, you can enjoy up to 40 kilometers of thrilling rides. Crafted from lightweight, durable carbon fiber, it offers both power and agility, making every ride feel smooth and exciting. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Flightboard E-Foil promises a unique, fun, and adrenaline-pumping experience on the water. Get ready to soar and explore the waves like never before.
The Makai M37 is a sleek and luxurious catamaran that feels more like a floating limousine. Priced at $873,000, it's designed for those who want to enjoy the water in serious style. The boat stretches 11 meters long and was crafted by Italian designer Emanuele Rossi, known for his work on high-end sports cars. That influence is clear in its modern, automotive-inspired look. It's powered by 2 Yanmar diesel engines, offering either 640 or 740 horsepower, giving it plenty of speed and performance. With room for just 12 people, it's perfect for private getaways. Just be ready to choose your lucky guests.
Imagine unloading a massive 40-ton container in just minutes, without using a giant crane. That's exactly what the Hammer 110 Mega Reach sideloader makes possible. This powerhouse weighs only 8.4 tons, far lighter than most competitors, yet it handles heavy containers with ease. Its stabilizer legs are designed with a unique stepping mode, letting it stride smoothly over neighboring chassis. That means faster, cleaner operations without the hassle of shifting vehicles around. Loading is lightning fast, taking just 2 to 4 minutes. Its chassis adjusts from 6 to 14 meters, making it compatible with almost any container size. It can even stack 2 containers on top of each other, and thanks to its clever design, the ground beneath stays firm, even after heavy rain. For even quicker jobs, the sled mode keeps the legs folded, extending only 2 meters for speed and efficiency. And when mounted directly on a truck chassis, it delivers unmatched maneuverability. The Hammer 110 isn't just a loader, it's redefining how the world moves containers. Ride the future above the waves. Imagine flying over water instead of cutting through it. That's exactly what the Valo Hyperfoil Alpha prototype delivers. This 2-seat electric hydrofoil isn't just a watercraft, it's a floating piece of the future. Built from high modulus carbon fiber, titanium, and stainless steel, it's both lightweight and incredibly strong. At just 330 kilograms empty, it can still carry a payload of 170 kilograms while supporting a total weight of 500 kilograms. Powering this beast is a 45 kilowatts electric drive with a shaft-driven propulsion system, paired with Skyride active stabilization software. The result? Smooth, precise turns that feel like carving through air. With a top speed of 42 miles per hour and a runtime of over 2 hours per charge, it blends performance with endurance. Its extendable foils and tilting strut make beach landings and shallow water handling surprisingly easy, something most hydrofoils can't offer. And since it runs silently with zero emissions, you get an adrenaline rush without leaving a footprint. The Valo Hyperfoil isn't just transportation, it's a glimpse of tomorrow's adventure sport. One ride, and you'll never see the ocean the same way again. Scania NXT, the future of city transport. The Scania NXT is a fully electric truck designed to change the way goods are moved in cities. Its main focus is on sustainability and reducing harmful emissions. Because it's electric, the NXT offers a completely quiet and zero-emission driving experience. This makes it perfect for city deliveries, especially in areas where noise and pollution are big concerns. One of its coolest features is its modular design. This means the truck can be customized for different jobs while still carrying a heavy load. Whether it's for deliveries, waste collection, or other tasks, the NXT can adapt to fit the need. It's powered by a highly efficient electric drivetrain, which helps cut down on fuel and maintenance costs compared to traditional diesel trucks. The NXT also has autonomous driving features. This improves safety and efficiency, making city transportation smoother and smarter. Scania's vision is to have fleets of NXT trucks working together to reduce traffic emissions and create cleaner, greener cities. Manta 5 SL3 Hydrofoil Bike. Imagine cycling across the open water. No roads, no limits, just pure freedom. That's exactly what the Manta 5 SL3 Hydrofoil Bike delivers. Built with a sleek composite monocoque chassis, it floats upright when still and glides effortlessly once you start pedaling. Its smart modular design breaks into 5 lightweight parts, with the heaviest piece under 14 kilograms, making transport and storage surprisingly simple. Power comes from a custom 2500W motor paired with a planetary gearbox and a carbon fiber reinforced propeller. The result? Smooth, pedal-assisted rides that feel futuristic yet natural. With a wired remote at your fingertips, you're always in control. You can choose between 2 battery options, 600 watt-hours or 1000 watt-hours, giving you up to 4.5 hours of adventure on the water. Charging takes just 2 to 3 hours, so you'll be back out riding in no time. Speeds can hit 20 kilometers per hour, 12 miles per hour, with a steady cruising pace around 11 kilometers per hour, 7 miles per hour. The Manta 5 SL3 isn't just a bike, it's the reinvention of water sports. A bold step into the future where cycling meets the waves. Imagine riding an electric board that feels more like a futuristic machine than a toy. The Ungoverned Vendetta delivers exactly that. This beast, priced at $99,900 AUD, is built for pure performance. Hidden within its deck is a swappable battery that powers up to 30 minutes of ride time for a 75 kilograms rider cruising at 20 kilometers per hour. But don't let that number fool you. The Vendetta can unleash speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, turning every ride into an adrenaline rush. Its design goes beyond speed. With independent front and rear track drive traction control, the board grips the ground with precision. The wireless charger keeps your controller ready, while the IP67 rated remote shows your speed and battery at a glance, no matter the conditions. Weighing 28 kilograms with the battery, it's surprisingly manageable for its size. And while lights aren't included yet, a retrofit option is on the way. The ungoverned Vendetta isn't just an electric board, it's a glimpse into the future of high-speed personal transport. Speeder. Imagine a motorcycle that doesn't ride on the road but actually flies. That's exactly what Jetpack Aviation has created with the Speeder. It's a flying motorcycle that was first designed for the military, government, and rescue teams. The original goal was to save lives and reach places regular vehicles couldn't. Now, they're making a recreational version for personal use. That means anyone could someday own one for transport or just for fun. The Speeder uses full vertical takeoff and landing technology, so it can lift off from almost anywhere. If you have enough space for a small car, you have enough space to launch it. The best part is how easy it is to fly. It's fully stabilized, so you don't need years of pilot training. In fact, it's lighter than a small 125cc motorcycle and much simpler to control compared to other aircraft. When it comes to performance, the numbers are exciting. The Speeder is expected to reach speeds of up to 240 km per hour. BVS-10. The beast built for any terrain. Imagine a vehicle that doesn't stop for snow, ice, sand, or even water. That's the BVS-10, an all-terrain armored powerhouse built to conquer the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Designed by Base Systems Hägglunds, the BVS-10 is more than just tough, it's adaptable. With its articulated twin-cab design, it glides over deep snow, scales steep gradients, and powers through deserts and jungles with ease. No matter the climate, it delivers unstoppable mobility. Its modular construction makes it a true multitasker. From transporting troops to carrying heavy cargo, or even serving as a mobile command center, the BVS-10 transforms to meet the mission. And when danger strikes, its advanced ballistic and mine protection keeps the crew safe without slowing down. Powered by a reliable diesel engine, it combines speed, strength, and endurance into one unstoppable machine. The BVS-10 isn't just a vehicle, it's a survival tool, redefining what's possible in modern military mobility. Wherever the mission goes, this beast follows. Meet the Von Rage, the tool that turns demolition into pure power. This 15-inch multi-utility bar isn't just another hand tool, it's a game-changer built for serious work. Engineered with a patented asymmetrical design, it gives you unmatched comfort and control in every swing. Need to smash, pry, or pull nails? No problem. The Von Rage combines all three functions into one sleek, rugged bar. It grabs, bends, and tears through materials with ease, cutting down time and effort on the job. The double injection handle delivers a rock-solid grip while keeping your hands comfortable, even during the toughest projects. No more switching between multiple tools. This single bar does it all, saving you energy and space in your toolkit. Contractors, builders, and DIY warriors are already raving about its durability and versatility. It's built to take abuse and still deliver peak performance every time. In a world where time is money, the Von Rage isn't just a tool, it's your edge. Meet the NMS 4x4, a beast built for the toughest terrains. This Turkish powerhouse doesn't just conquer roads, it rewrites the rules of off-road performance. With 42 centimeters of ground clearance, it climbs over half-meter obstacles like they're nothing. Rivers and flooded paths? No problem. It powers through water nearly a meter deep. Add independent suspension and all-wheel drive, and you've got a machine that laughs at limits. Even when the tires are shot, the run-flat system keeps it moving. No stopping, no surrender. And with a top speed of 140 kilometers per hour, this isn't just a crawler. It's a sprinter on any battlefield. But here's what makes it truly versatile. The NMS isn't just one vehicle. It transforms. From an air defense system to a tank-hunting missile carrier, it adapts to mission demands with ease. No wonder Estonia jumped at the chance, immediately ordering 100 units. When a vehicle delivers this much power, flexibility, and reliability, it's more than a ride, it's a game changer. The Road Boss. Imagine a truck so massive, it looks more like a monster caterpillar crushing cars than a vehicle. That's the Road Boss, a jaw-dropping machine built by French engineers for the legendary Cascaders Motor Show. This show isn't your typical auto event. Instead of racing, old sedans are smashed into scrap under the roar of engines and the cheers of thousands. And in that chaos, the Road Boss reigns supreme. It took over 3,300 hours to build this beast. The stats are wild: 13 meters long, 3.5 meters tall, and 3.4 meters wide. Each of its 10 wheels carries a tire taller than most people, 1.6 meters high. Powering it are two diesel engines that unleash a combined 800 horsepower. On regular roads, the Road Boss is completely impractical. But in the arena, it's an unstoppable force of destruction, a machine built not for transport, but for pure spectacle. The Road Boss isn't just a truck. It's living proof of how engineering can turn raw power into jaw-dropping entertainment. Meet the Roadscar 4W1P, the four-wheeled bike that feels like the future of cycling. This lightweight single-seater is built on a tough jig-welded steel frame, yet it stays incredibly nimble at just 70 to 80 pounds. With bicycle-style steering and up to 42-speed gearing, it offers both simplicity for casual rides and precision for serious cyclists. Disc brakes come standard, ensuring safety and control on every ride. But the real game changer? The optional PD 750 electric assist. It gives you smooth pedal support up to 18 miles per hour, with a range of 30 to 60 miles depending on the battery setup. That means longer rides, less effort, and more adventure. The Roadscar doesn't stop at performance. It's packed with thoughtful extras like thorn-proof tubes, Kevlar liners, fenders, seatbelts, cargo space, and even rear-view mirrors. Perfect for recreation, commuting, or light cargo hauling, it's a true hybrid of strength, speed, and versatility. The Roadscar 4W1P isn't just a ride, it's a new way to move. Faring Pioneer X. Imagine an off-road beast that can cross deserts, survive the Arctic, and even dive underwater. Meet the Faring Pioneer X, a machine that pushes the limits of adventure. Built by British engineers, this hybrid off-roader is powered by a 60 kWh onboard unit available in both multi-fuel and hydrogen options. That means freedom on the road with a jaw-dropping range of up to 7,000 kilometers. You could practically drive across continents without stopping to refuel. Its design is just as impressive as its power. The Pioneer X uses an ultra-light carbon chassis, making it tough yet nimble in extreme conditions. Add in a fully adjustable independent suspension, advanced spring setup, and an onboard tire inflation system, and you've got a vehicle that adapts to any terrain with ease. But here's the wildest feature: it's built to operate fully submerged underwater. That's not just off-roading, that's redefining what an off-road vehicle can do. The Faring Pioneer X isn't just transport. It's a vision of the future, proving how engineering can expand the boundaries of exploration. Velov Armadillo. Imagine a cargo bike that feels as stable as a van but moves through the city like a bicycle. That's the Velov Armadillo, a futuristic four-wheeled electric cargo quad built for urban logistics. At just 86 centimeters wide, it glides through bike lanes and narrow streets with ease. Don't let its slim design fool you. It can carry up to 200 kilograms of cargo volume, about 2 cubic meters, and handle payloads of 350 kilograms. That's the power of a small delivery van packed into a lightweight, human-powered machine. Its elevated cargo box is cleverly designed to reduce strain during loading, and with a hydraulic lift system, accessing goods is effortless. Weighing only 67 kilograms, the Armadillo uses electric assist pedaling to make every ride smooth, efficient, and city-friendly. Crowned as the International Cargo Bike of the Year 2019, it proves that sustainable transport can be powerful, practical, and game-changing. The Velov Armadillo isn't just a bike, it's the future of clean, efficient city deliveries.
The customized Humvee is a reimagined version of the classic military Humvee, updated with a more powerful engine and an eye-catching, unique design that adapts it for new roles beyond the battlefield. Originally built for military use, this rugged vehicle has been decommissioned and modified to meet a variety of modern needs while retaining its iconic toughness and durability. At its core, the Humvee's engine has been upgraded, boosting horsepower and torque to deliver exceptional performance, especially over rough and challenging terrains. The design has been refined with an emphasis on individuality, transforming the standard military look into something stylish and functional. Custom armor plating and reinforced bodywork have been added for enhanced security, while new suspension and tire systems improve stability and adaptability on a range of surfaces, from city streets to off-road tracks. Inside, the Humvee boasts a modified interior with upgraded seating, modern technology, and comfort-focused additions that make it both functional and enjoyable to drive. Whether used for rugged expeditions, emergency response, or as a statement vehicle, this customized Humvee combines military-grade resilience with civilian versatility. Its powerful presence and upgraded capabilities make it a vehicle that can tackle tough environments while turning heads wherever it goes.
Imagine finishing a full wall in minutes without a single drip. That's the power of the Bosch PFS 7000, a high-performance paint spray system built for speed and precision. With its 1400-watt motor, this machine sprays paint at an impressive 4 square meters per minute, making large indoor and outdoor projects faster than ever. Thanks to Bosch's all-paint technology, you can spray wood or wall paints directly, no thinning needed. Just fill it, spray, and watch it deliver a flawless finish every time. The system's fine atomization ensures smooth, drip-free coverage on any surface, while the twin 1000 milliliters containers cut down on refilling, so you stay focused on your work instead of stopping mid-project. Whether you're a professional chasing efficiency or a DIY enthusiast looking for pro-level results, this tool makes painting less of a chore and more of an experience. The Bosch PFS 7000 doesn't just paint walls, it paints the future of how projects get done. Outrider Coyote 4WD. Meet the Outrider Coyote 4WD, a beast of agility packed into one of the smallest electric quads ever built. This rugged machine runs on a quad-motor 4-wheel drive system, pumping out an impressive 5,000 watts of raw power. Don't let its size fool you, it cruises up to 17 miles per hour with ease. And with a massive 6,048 watt-hour battery setup, you can ride up to 120 miles on a single charge. Built compact at just 33 inches wide and tall, and around 61 inches long, the Coyote is engineered for tight trails and extreme mobility. Add the footrest, and it stretches to 6 feet, giving you comfort without losing portability. Despite its small frame, it supports up to 300 pounds and still weighs under 200 pounds itself, making it the lightest all-terrain vehicle in its class. From rugged backcountry rides to serious off-road adventures, the Outrider Coyote proves that true power doesn't always come in a massive package. Imagine a motorcycle that blends raw power with futuristic innovation. That's the Spark Cycleworks Javelin. This isn't just another electric bike. It's built to push boundaries and deliver a ride you'll never forget. At its core, the Javelin runs on a powerful 72-volt battery system, giving you lightning-fast acceleration and impressive top speeds. Whether you're zipping through city streets or tackling open roads, this machine doesn't hold back. Its rugged frame, paired with a 19-inch front wheel and a 17-inch rear, strikes the perfect balance between stability and agility, making every ride smooth yet thrilling. But it's not just about performance. The Javelin is designed for real-world challenges, featuring skid plates for protection and a bold, aggressive look that demands attention. It's a bike that stands out, both in design and in capability. By combining strength, style, and smart engineering, the Spark Cycleworks Javelin redefines what an electric motorcycle can be. It's not just transportation, it's a glimpse into the future of riding.
The Adrenaline ZRX-47 isn't your typical boat. It's a high-speed, thrill-packed powerboat built for those who crave adventure on the water. Powered by twin-turbo Mercury racing engines, this sleek machine can reach jaw-dropping speeds of over 150 miles per hour. Every ride feels like a shot of pure adrenaline. Built with lightweight carbon fiber and a smart hydrodynamic hull design, it cuts through the water effortlessly, giving you speed, agility, and smooth performance all in one. But it's not just a speed demon, it's also built for comfort. The ZRX-47 features cozy, premium seating, high-tech controls, and a roomy cockpit that makes fast cruising feel both exciting and luxurious. Whether you're racing across the waves or just enjoying a day out on the open water, the Adrenaline ZRX-47 brings power, style, and serious fun to every journey.
Meet the Trio EV, a revolutionary electric quadricycle that bends the rules of urban mobility. Features and benefits. This Polish marvel boasts a unique tilting design with a patented variable geometry chassis. In wide, cruise mode, it stretches to 148 centimeters and can hit speeds up to 90 kilometers per hour. Switch to narrow mode at 86 centimeters, and it's perfect for weaving through traffic or squeezing into tight parking spots at around 35 kilometers per hour. Weighing just 530 kilograms, with a maximum capacity of 750 kilograms, the Trio EV packs two rear-mounted brushless motors delivering up to 14 kilowatts of combined power. Four swappable 3.5 kilowatt-hour scooter-style batteries give you a range of up to 140 kilometers. The tilting mechanism leans up to 20 degrees in corners, giving you the thrill of a sport bike with the stability of a four-wheeler. Inside, it's futuristic yet practical. Drive-by-wire steering, a sleek digital instrument cluster, side camera displays, and a single sliding door that opens at the push of a button. Context and impact. By combining agility, efficiency, and cutting-edge tech, the Trio EV is redefining what city transport can be: compact, fun, and fully electric. Closing. The future of urban driving isn't just coming, it's tilting your way. E-Jet Cycle, the future of riding on water. Imagine gliding across the water with the speed of a boat and the freedom of a bike. That's exactly what the E-Jet Cycle delivers. A cutting-edge hydrofoil water bike powered by both your legs and a whisper-quiet electric assist. At just 55 kilograms, its sleek carbon fiber frame and hydrofoil floats keep it lightweight yet incredibly stable. The tri-hull design ensures perfect balance, while the advanced hydrofoil system lifts you smoothly above the waves. You can launch at 10 kilometers per hour, cruise comfortably at 15 kilometers per hour, and push up to 20 kilometers per hour for a thrilling ride. A 200W electric crankset gives adjustable pedal support, offering up to 3 hours of runtime, ideal for long, effortless sessions on open water. The design doesn't just look futuristic, it feels premium too, with a nautical leather bucket seat, anti-slip pads, and easy-to-control steering and altitude levers. Built in France, the E-Jet Cycle is fully emission-free, combining eco-friendly innovation with adrenaline-pumping adventure. This isn't just a water bike, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable aquatic sports. Gibbs Aquata, the car that becomes a boat. Imagine driving down the road, then in seconds transforming your car into a speedboat. That's the magic of the Gibbs Aquata, the world's first true high-speed amphibian. This futuristic three-seat convertible doesn't just dip into water, it glides across it with ease. Thanks to hydraulic wheel retraction and powerful waterjet propulsion, it can shift from land to water in moments, giving you freedom like never before. Built with over 60 patented technologies, the Aquata delivers thrilling performance, hitting over 100 miles per hour on land and more than 30 miles per hour on water. At its heart, a Rover K Series 2.5 LV6 engine pumps out 175 horsepower, combined with rear-wheel drive and computer-controlled suspension for a ride that's both smooth and responsive. Sized for stability yet sleek in design, this amphibian blends luxury with raw innovation. It's not just transportation, it's an experience that blurs the line between driving and sailing. The Gibbs Aquata proves one thing: the future of travel isn't about choosing land or water, it's about mastering both. Imagine a device that makes your home look alive, even when you're miles away. That's exactly what Fake TV does, a clever little gadget designed to outsmart prying eyes and keep unwanted attention at bay. Instead of leaving a light on, Fake TV projects the flickering glow of a real television. It shifts through colors, patterns, and brightness levels so naturally that it's nearly impossible to spot the difference. The best part? It can switch on automatically at dusk, blending into the rhythm of your home without you lifting a finger. Think about it. You head out for the night, but your apartment still looks busy. A glow in the living room, another in the bedroom, neighbors, or anyone passing by, will assume someone's inside, settled in front of the screen. Even in tests, people struggled to tell fake TV apart from the real thing. It's a simple idea with powerful impact. By mimicking something so ordinary, fake TV quietly delivers peace of mind. Sometimes, the best security isn't a locked door, it's the illusion that you're always there. Magnum UFO F4. Imagine a futuristic ride that blends freedom, comfort, and power. Meet the Magnum UFO F4. This isn't your ordinary mobility scooter. Powered by a 1,500W rear traction motor, it glides smoothly with selectable speeds of 6, 15, or even 25 km per hour. Safety comes first, thanks to hydraulic disc brakes, shock absorbers, and durable tubeless alloy wheels that keep every ride steady and secure. A 60 volts lithium battery fuels up in just 6 to 8 hours, giving you 40 to 50 kilometers of range, perfect for city commutes or long leisure rides. LED headlights and a built-in rear camera with reverse gear make urban travel both safe and effortless. Step inside, and you'll find true comfort. A swiveling seat, electric windows, central locking, and even an MP3 FM radio with USB support. It carries up to 300 kilograms with ease, proving strength doesn't come at the cost of style. The Magnum UFO F4 isn't just transport, it's independence on wheels, redefining personal mobility for a new era. Imagine riding a single wheel that pushes the limits of speed, power, and design. Meet the InMotion V12S, a premium electric unicycle built for thrill seekers and everyday riders alike. At its core lies a massive 1,440 watt-hours 84 volts battery, powering speeds of up to 60 miles per hour and a range of 60 miles on a single charge. With a 2500W motor peaking at 6,000 W, it can conquer 45 degrees climbs while carrying riders up to 309 pounds. Despite weighing 77 pounds, its 16-inch tire delivers stability and control on almost any terrain. But this machine isn't just about raw power, it's packed with smart features. You get 90mm hydraulic suspension for smooth rides, a 4.3-inch touchscreen, and Ride Connect remote lock with GPS for extra security. Add in Bluetooth speakers, adjustable headlights, USB ports, and a fast charge option that gets you rolling in just 2 hours. It's also UL 2272 certified and IPX6 weatherproof, making it as safe as it is powerful. The InMotion V12S isn't just a ride, it's the future of personal transport, balancing performance, comfort, and innovation in one sleek wheel.
Quadrifoil. The quadrifoil is a special electric watercraft that uses hydrofoil technology to lift its body above the water. This smart design helps reduce drag and makes the ride smooth and fast. It's powered by an electric engine, so it runs quietly and doesn't release harmful gases. This makes it perfect for people who care about the environment or love water sports. The quadrifoil is built with safety in mind. It has an anti-collision system, smart steering, and stays very stable in water. It's also light and has an ergonomic shape, so it's easy to control. It can go as fast as 40 kilometers per hour and travel up to 100 kilometers on one charge if conditions are good. There are different versions of the quadrifoil, and the price usually ranges from 28,000 euros to 34,000, or around $32,000 to $38,000. It's a futuristic and fun way to enjoy the water without hurting nature.
The next system's designed to simplify work with tanker trailers. It's available in various versions, but the idea is more or less the same. Retractable handrails, they usually operate via a pneumatic system and move up and down at the press of a button. It doesn't matter whether the trailer holds milk or gasoline, these handrails will always be useful. They can also be installed on just one side and feature automatic folding. For example, depending on the position of the brake pedal the engineer's at. BPW half.